Good day viewers, my name is Wayford. Welcome to my next Qbasic tutorial. In this tutorial I will be doing another example. I'll be writing a Qbasic program that will find the largest and the lowest among 5 inputs, but this time I'll be making use of an array. So first of all, I need to declare my variable. So let's name a as integer, dim low as integer, then dim integer, and then dim num as integer. The a is gonna hold my loop, the low is going to hold the lowest, then I the highest number, then the num is the number that will be imputed. So let's print, or let's input enter the number. No, first of all, it should be in a loop. That's for a equals 1 or 2. Let's make it 5 inputs, enter the 5 numbers. That's num into bracket a, next a. So this is gonna accept the numbers. Then so the next step is I equals num1 equals num2. Oops, it should be 1 also, because in the location of 1, that's where we're going to find the highest and the lowest number. Then CLS, and also for a equals to 5, if num a is greater than I, then let me just pause this to speed it up so I won't waste much of our time. Welcome back. I have completed the program. Let me scroll up and explain everything to you over again. I am writing a program to find the largest and the smallest between 5 numbers using an array. This is dim a that holds my loop, and this is the variable that holds the lowest number, and the I is one that holds the highest number, and the num is the variable that holds the 5 numbers. So for now, the for loop is going to accept the 5 integers, which are going to be stored in num, this num here. So as the loop goes, the first time, the second, the third, fourth, to the fifth, the 5 numbers are saved in num. So that's the first thing here. So we need to allocate a location in the array for the space to hold the highest and the lowest number. So the highest is gonna hold the first location, and then the lowest is also gonna hold the lowest gonna hold the first location, sorry. So that's that. Then this is where we find the lowest and the highest. So the first thing we did is to find the highest. If norm 1 is greater than, if the norm is greater than I, then I is norm A. I think you get that. For every time it accepts the 5 numbers, it checks everything through. So if out of the 5 numbers, it finds the highest in the first allocation, how should I put it? For every number that goes through the highest through the first allocation, it checks. So the highest, once it gets the highest, it pull it out, and then here once it gets the lowest, it pull it out. It's just like people entering into a class. Let's say 5 students are going into a class. The entrance is the checkpoint. Once the students are coming in, it checks for the highest, and the highest is pulled out, and then the lowest is also pulled out. So this print is just the space, and this is where I print out all the 5 integers. That's for A equals 1 to 5. The arrays are, it's going to print out all the 5 integers, and here the highest is high and the lowest is low. I believe you all understand this place. For every checks of the 5 numbers, if the highest number is found, it will be stored in high, and if the lowest is found, it will be stored in low. So this is where it's going to pull it out. So let's run this and see how the program works. So enter the 5 numbers: 3, 7, 9, 0, 1. You can see the arrays are 7, 3, 9, 0, 1. The highest is 9 and the lowest is 0. Thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It's the Way Forward Academy. Let me go through the code again so you can see it. This is my declaration. This is where I accepted all the 5 numbers. This is where I want it to check this is the allocation I want to check the highest and the lowest. So once the highest is found in the allocation of 1, it should store in high, and if the lowest is found in the allocation of 1, it should store in low. CLS is to clear the screen. So the loop is going to check from the second, because we have already allocated the first one to store the highest and the lowest. And then this is where we print out the 5 numbers, and we print out the highest and the lowest. Thank you for watching.